Hi, hello, good morning to all everyone, to all my beloved subscribers here on YouTube channel. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. I'm wake up early here in time Pilipinas time because I early to greet you. Happy Valentine's Day there, you guys. Okay, I gonna wear the red color dress cause it's a Valentine's Day today. Okay, congratulations to all partners and uh, I wish we are happy to celebrate today our partners to a long relationship partners. Okay. I hope guys you understand my speak. English is not good as well. Sometimes good, sometimes no good. I will do my best because of yours guys, my subscribers here on my YouTube channel. Okay? Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, everybody, every partner each other to celebrate today, uh, Valentine's Day. Okay. The weather here is uh, cloudy and little bit windy. And now I'm eating chicken food. I'm hungry, guys. I'm hungry. So delicious. Mmm. Nom, nom. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Bye.